Hey Marvin, what are you doing? Well, I'm scanning this Google Map application. Isn't it amazing that someone invented this type of application so that we can locate the things we want to go and visit it?
Wow, isn't it cool? What's a GPS?
GPS, or the Global Positioning System, is a satellite-based navigation system made up of 24 satellites placed into orbit by the U.S. Department of Defense. GPS was originally intended for military applications, but in 1980s, the government made up the system available for civilian use. GPS works in any weather conditions, anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day.
Wow! Since when did you know about this GPS?
Well, Friano taught me about many things.
Oh, Rihanna isn't.
Did I just hear you guys talking about my name?
Yeah, we were talking about GPS. Can you teach our fellow here how to use GPS and some related about it?
Sure, pleased to meet ya. I'm Friano Peria and this is a friend of mine, Joseph Grant Aguilar.
Pleasure to meet you also.
Yeah.
I'm CJ Knox.
I know. Thanks, bro.
Have a seat, sir.
So let's get
how
started.
does
GPS work? A GPS satellite circles the Earth twice a day in a very precise orbit and transmits signal information to Earth. GPS receivers take this information and use triangulation to calculate the user's exact location. Essentially, the GPS receiver compares the time a signal was transmitted by satellite with the time it was received.
Wow! So how
amazing.
are GPS?
Today's GPS receivers are extremely accurate thanks to their parallel multi-channel design. Garmin installed parallel channel receivers are quick to lock onto satellites when first turned on, and they maintain strong locks even in dense foliage or urban settings with tall buildings. Certain atmospheric factors and other sources of error can affect the accuracy of GPS receivers. Garmin GPS receivers are accurate to within 15 meters on average.
Okay, sir, we're so interested.
With GPS. Tell us more, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna share with you. What I'm gonna share with you next is the GPS satellite system. There are 24 satellites that revolves around our world. These satellites, they are constantly moving, making 2 complete orbits in less than 24 hours.
Yes, and these satellites are traveling at speeds of roughly 7,000 miles an hour. GPS satellites are powered by solar energy. They have backup batteries on board to keep them running in the event of solar eclipse. When there's no solar power, small rocket boosters on each satellite keep them flying in correct path. Isn't it cool?
So cool.
Yeah, with a smiling face.
How they take videos and photos. I thought astronauts are taking photos and videos manually. So it is this geostationary satellite that does. So amazing.
This will absolutely help us in our physics.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you for the time, sir.
fine.
We will treasure this time, and it is so helpful.
Yes, the pleasure is ours.
And thank you for sharing your
Yes.
knowledge with us. It
And for
helps
now-
us and better
Yes.
fishermen.
And for now, goodbye, sir.
Yes.
Goodbye.
So we better get going, okay?
It's an incredible day.
Nice time.
Thank you,
May
sir.
help in your physics,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Bye.